The next is either done via a worksheet or a professional discussion. Now we're going to look at the worksheet first here, which is 35 marks in total. And again, with regards to this worksheet and also the professional discussion, all of the answers are there in your manuals from page 209 in your manual. So you need to read those sections, have an understanding of them, and that will enable you to answer all of these questions in your worksheet. That takes us to the bottom of page 19, where you need 28 marks in total out of 35 marks, and again, a minimum set marks achieved for each question required to pass. Assessor will pass or refer you and give you the necessary feedback here as well. The other option is a professional discussion. So if you don't wish to do the worksheet, you can do a professional discussion where what will happen is the tutor or the assessor will have set questions for you based on the specific agenda. So for example, describe how to collect client information, and the following assessment criteria must be discussed. So for example here, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. The tutor will describe or explain to you what those assessment criteria are, and this professional discussion will be recorded, ideally on a dictaphone, between you and the assessor, and the evidence will be written down here, and the internal verifiers and the external verifiers will then be able to actually listen in on that and listen to the professional discussion. So there is that option as well. So the second one, explain how to use client information based on the screening processes. Often this will be in the form of a question and answer. So as long as the student shows competency and is able to answer these questions face to face with the assessor, then these will be passing the assessment criteria. Explain how to plan and agree goals with clients. Again, same thing. And that is pass or refer, and the assessor will give feedback based on the discussion that you had that will be recorded. The next page here is your PARQ, or your Pre-Activity Readiness Questionnaire, and this is essentially a medical form that must be filled out with your client prior to them training. Now the tutor is going to take you through this, and in very basic terms, if you answer yes to any of these questions, you may need to get medical clearance or medical referral from your GP or any other recognised professional that is appropriate before you can train that client. So you must ask them these questions and answer honestly. And then you're going to get your client to write their name, sign it and date it. So their name is here, signature here, date here, and signature of parent or guardian or witness if the participants are under the age of majority. The next page, which is page 24, is a health commitment statement.